This is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Hydro-distilled essential oils. The oils that we're talking about here are very few: frankincense, myrrh, and elemi. These are oleogum resins that are tapped from trees. The harvesting has been occurring for about 5,000 years. These people do it ethically. They don't kill the trees. And the vats that we're talking about, the hydrodistillation devices, are made out of inert stainless steel, and they come in either small or large sizes. Let's look at the process of hydrodistillation. First of all, water is poured into the vat, and then it's warmed up, and then the oleogum resin is added to the water. Then the lid is put on top, and the vapor line is connected. Now the heat, usually a gas burner, or it could be wood or something like that, is used to heat the vat up so that the water will get up to 100 degrees Celsius. That releases the essential oils, and the essential oils happily go up with the steam into the vapor line, transfer all the way over to the condenser where it's chilly, and the vapors, just like in steam distillation, will convert from vapor into liquid. So steam becomes water, which we call hydrosol because it contains some soluble essential oil molecules. And then the oil vapors become essential oil liquids, and they drop down into a separator, and usually the oil floats to the top and the hydrosol is at the bottom. Now the only difference, unique one in this case, is myrrh essential oil. Myrrh essential oil and water kind of have the same density, so they don't like to separate very easily. Sometimes this takes some extra time, like 1 or 2 weeks, or different methods to be able to separate the myrrh oil from the water. Now, this is an example of frankincense oil floating on the top of hydrosol. Simply store the essential oil into an inert container, and then you need to cool everything down. Turn off the heat, and then eventually vent the steam and cool everything down. Then you can get rid of the water that's in the vat, and also you can get rid of the spent resin that's in the vat. And then if you refine this resin, you can make it into a product that's like frankincense resin. And it can be used for a lot of different purposes because there's a lot of good chemistry still left in the resin. Take a chance on the essential oils that are hydrodistilled. Smell them. They are very similar to steam distilled essential oil. Frankincense, elemi, and myrrh oil. Yeah, they are wonderful essential oils that come from oleogum resins, just like this. So this lesson has been about hydrodistilled essential oils.